Hi and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to use filters in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you should be able to filter out all of the not found records in Excel like this. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So if I take any data set in Microsoft Excel, and I go over here to the data ribbon. So I'm going to highlight my first row right here and then click filter. And once I do that, I can see that these down arrows appear. In case you missed that, I'm going to turn the filter off and they disappear. And I'm going to turn it back on and they reappear. Now these filters allow you to do all sorts of things. So over here in the check, I'm going to click this down arrow. And I can see that I have lots of options. So the first thing I would like to do is uncheck the select all, and then I'm going to check the not found and hit OK. And I can see that I'm just being displayed with my records that do not match right here. If I click that filter again, I can take off the not found and put on the found and say OK. And now I'm being returned with only the found records. And then if I click on it again and I want to get rid of my filter, all I have to do is click select all, or I can click clear filters from check and say OK. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. If I go back here to check and I just put all of my found ones back on, if I want to remove all of the filters I have on my data, I can either turn the filter off right here, and you can see that all my data is returned. Or if I have that filter back on, I can also hit Control-Shift-L on my keyboard, and that will do the same thing as clicking the filter button up here. So we go into filtering and removing filters a lot more out on our blog. And I will include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.